Hello everyone, welcome to this another video. So in this video we are going to just creating a new model, and we are going to just creating a new model with mongoose which we have. So you need to just create a one directory in the root which is named as the models, and also we are creating a user model, so we can log in into admin panel, and you can access the blocks and delete the block and add the block root operation on the block at the simplicity. So we are creating a user.js. So here we are requiring the mongoose, importing the mongoose here. So require, not of why it is suggesting me that. So my editor is suggesting me the required animation and stuff like that. So that's happens sometime. So we are requiring the mongoose, not a MongoDB. So first of all, now the new term will become, so I am creating an object of new mongoose dot schema. Now the schema is the new one in your directory, so you can just search and find this schema. And if you don't clear that this term, then please comment it out. So basic of schema is like you are creating a blueprint that will be stored in your database. So like username, password, and email that will be stored into your database. So you are creating this schema, you are creating the constraint of this, like you need username is unique for the whole collection. So in this mongoose, in this MongoDB, you have the connection. You don't have any other things like relations. You don't have table, you have the collection. So that's why this is called no SQL database. So first of all, we need to just create a field. So I am just create username. So type is gonna string, and require, yes, it is required. And a third thing is like unique, user will be unique. So done, that's username is done. So now we can just take a password. No password, we are storing the encrypted password in our database using the one-way hash method. If you don't know one-way hash method, that I will build another video for this, because the one-way hash method is the long part, like the MD5. If you hash the string, then you can't decode that hash to the plain text, because there is one way. Okay, and you can only do the matching if you have second string. You can hash and you can compare that to string, and if match, then okay. So his type is the string, and required equal to true. So we have now password and encrypt password, so we don't need this two now. Okay, so now also we need min length. Min length is like 3 min length. Okay, and now here we have another trick like salt. So every user has the password, but the password encryption key, every user has its different encryption key for its own account. So what is the salt? Salt is a key for encryption and decryption for a particular account. Okay, you can see that in this next part. So now we are going to timestamp, means created and updated at time will be stored in the collections. So you can see that we have a user schema. This is our user schema, but now you can see we don't store the password here, because we need a password encrypted. So you need to just read the mongoose methods. There is in the mongoose documentation there is methods and virtuals. So in the next video, I assume that you read that mongoose methods and mongoose virtuals. So next video will be useful for you for creating the encryption, or creating the encryption password and virtual field. So catch up in the next video.